everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to crochet a pumpkin coaster, perfect for beginners. I hope this video is helpful for you. You can also make this coaster into a placemat by increasing the number of rows. The finished coaster will be about 4.1 inches in diameter. Friends, the yarn I'm using for this pumpkin coaster is Himalaya Himagarumi's cotton yarn. And I'll be using a 2.75mm crochet hook to create our pumpkin coasters. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin the pumpkin coaster by making a magic ring. Chain 3 and work 11 double crochet stitches into the ring. We should have a total of 12 double crochet stitches, including the starting chain. Friends, please don't forget to like the video. After you've made 12 double crochet stitches, pull the tail of the magic ring to close it, and slip stitch to the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3, double crochet into the top of the same chain you just slip stitched into. For round 2, work 2 double crochet stitches into each of the 12 stitches from the previous round. This will give you a total of 24 double crochet stitches. If you enjoy the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. Your support means a lot and helps us create even more amazing content for you. After making the 24th double crochet stitch, join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Chain 3 for round 3, and double crochet into the space where you just slipped stitch. So we've made a double crochet into the top of the first stitch. Make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. And in this row, alternate double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. You will have a total of 36 double crochet stitches. When you reach the end of the row, you'll finish the row with a single crochet stitch. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain, and that completes round 3. Chain 3, double crochet into the same space you slip stitched into. Again, we've made a double crochet into the top of the first stitch. Make 2 single crochets in a row, then double crochet into the top of the next stitch. make 2 single crochets in a row, then double crochet into the top of the next stitch. In the 4th row, alternate double crochet, 2 single crochets, double crochet, 2 single crochets, double crochet. Make a total of 48 double crochet stitches. I made 2 single crochet stitches, and now I have a total of 48 double crochet stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Tighten the magic ring slip knot and secure the stitches from the back by knotting to hide the knot. For round 5, chain 1, then single crochet into the same space where you slipped stitch. This is the first single crochet. Make a total of 5 single crochets in a row. Chain 2, skip a space, double crochet. Chain 2, skip a space, double crochet. Chain 2, skip a space, double crochet. And in this way, we'll make a total of 8 double crochets in a row. We will create boxes side by side. See, we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet stitches. Chain 2, skip a space, and make a total of 7 single crochet stitches together. After making the 7 single crochet stitches, chain 2, skip a space, and make a double crochet. And here we will repeat the same steps we did. Chain 2, skip 1 space, and make 8 double crochets in a row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet stitches. Chain 2, skip 1 space, and single crochet twice in a row. We started with 5 single crochets at the beginning of this section. When we make 2 more single crochets at the end of the round, we will have a total of 7 single crochets. We made a total of 7 single crochets at the base of the pumpkin. Now, slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain to close the round. So you'll have a total of 7 single crochet stitches at both the top and the bottom of the pumpkin. Chain 1. Working from the same space, make 5 single crochet stitches together. After the 5 single crochet stitches, work 3 double crochet into the first chain 2 space. Then, Then, double crochet again into the top of the next stitch. Continue making 3 double crochet stitches in each box until you reach the single crochet stitch. Make a single crochet stitch into the top of the double crochet stitches below. Make 3 double crochet stitches into the last box. And this is how we created the pattern. Now, work 7 single crochet stitches over the 7 single crochet stitches from the previous round. And we'll repeat the same steps we made on the right side into each box we created. Make 3 double crochet stitches in each space you made, and make a single crochet stitch into the top of the double crochet stitches below. Continue in this way to the end of the row. I made 3 double crochets in the last chain space. We started with 5 single crochet stitches at the beginning of the row, and now we've added 2 more, so we have a total of 7 single crochet stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Chain 1, make slip stitches across the row until you reach the double crochet stitch. Make a single crochet into the top of each double crochet stitch below until you reach the single crochet at the bottom. Make single crochets in the top of the last 2 stitches. And make 7 slip stitches into the top of the 7 single crochet stitches at the bottom. Make a single crochet into the top of all the double crochet stitches on the left side until the end of the row. When we reached the end of the round, we made 5 slip stitches at the beginning. And we need to make 2 more slip stitches here. Cut the yarn here after the last slip stitch. Make a hidden join. If you use a smaller hook, it's easier to do a hidden join because the tip is thinner. Pull the hook through the 2 loops of the first slip stitch you made. Pull the yarn you cut through the loop again. Using the stitch behind the last slip stitch, pass the yarn through the loop again. By repeating this action, we have created interconnected V shapes. You can hide this yarn by inserting it through the back stitches without pulling it too tight. Now, I'll switch back to the 2.75mm crochet hook to make the pumpkin stem. And let's continue with the brown color. Skip 2 single crochet stitches from the 7 single crochet stitches at the bottom. And secure the yarn from the top of the 3rd single crochet stitch. That's the 3rd slip stitch now, friends. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. This is the 1st single crochet. Make a total of 4 single crochets in a row. Chain 1, turn the work. Starting from the 1st space, make 4 single crochets in a row. Chain 1, turn the work again. Starting from the 1st space, make 4 single crochets in a row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn here. And we'll use the green color for the leaves. Hide the brown yarn with a smaller hook by weaving it through the back loops. I switch back to the 2.75mm hook. Chain 1 and secure the yarn from the top of the last single crochet slip stitch. You can make as many chains as you want for the length of the leaf. I'll make a total of 20 chains. After making 20 chains, make 2 half double crochets into the 3rd chain from the hook. Make a half double crochet into the next chain. Make 2 half double crochet stitches into the next chain. Make a half double crochet into the next chain. Continue this way until you've filled all the chains. So we're going to make a double, single, half double crochet pattern to create a curl. I've reached the end of the row. I'm working a half double crochet into the 1st chain I made. Then slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and hide the yarn in the back loops. You can tie these 2 yarn ends together. Look, when you curl this with your hand, it will naturally curl up. If you want this to curl up more, you can work the pattern as double, single. You can also work 2 half double crochet stitches into each chain space. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments with your hand, your pumpkin coaster will be ready to use. As you can see, they're very stylish and cute. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until we meet again in the next tutorial video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your loved ones and friends. Goodbye.